Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to find out the sum of first, if the sum of first 10 term of the series this. So, they have already given you the series as well as sum. Then m is, so you have to find out the value of m. Now, look at this how we will manipulate this question. So, we have s equals, first we will write down this part into simpler form, that is 8 by 5 square, 12 by 5 square, 16 by 5 square. So this is 16 by 5. So if you'll observe, 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 plus 4 should be 20 by 5. And if you'll observe, 20 by 5 is nothing but 4. Correct? So this pattern is correct. Plus 24 by 5 square. Done, done, done. And this will keep on going till 10 terms, and the sum is given as 16m by 5. You have to find out the value of m. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now look at this, how we will manipulate this question. So can I write down this 8 as 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Correct? So look at this. Can I write 4 times 2 square square 5 square plus 4 3 5 square 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 4 4 5 square 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 4 5 5 square square square. Okay? Now if you'll observe, in every element you guys are writing 4 square by 5, है ना? And that will be taken as common. So can I take 4 square 16, 5 square 25 taken outside? We will be left with 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square dot dot dot. You know that you have to go till 10 terms. 10 terms means what? First term is 2, second term is 3, fourth term is, third term is 4, fourth term is 5. So 10th term will be what? 11 square. Okay? Now, if you'll observe this thing, you know that you know how to find out sum of square of first n natural number. But it is not sum of n natural number. So what we will do? We will make it first n natural number. So for that we need 1 square. So if we will introduce 1 square, we have to subtract 1 square. Is that okay? I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now again, 16m by 5, 16 by 25, and then here we will write down the formula for sum of square of first and natural number. So 11, 12, 23 by 6 minus 1. Now you can do the simplification. So it is 5 time, 1 time, 2 time. Okay. So we got m equals 1 by 5 and then 11 time 46 minus 1. So it is 1 by 5. 11 6 time 66, carry 6, 4 time 44, and 6 50 minus 1. So it is 5 not 5 by 5. So you can do the simplification part. So we will be left with 1 not 1. Therefore the required value of 1 is m is 1 not 1. I hope the idea is clear. and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.